Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E. And in front of me I have a clean tool, so I'm going to use these two brushes and also isopropyl alcohol. Now, if you haven't cleaning tool, you can use toothbrush and ear sticks. So let me remove it, and I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts on my earbuds. At the bottom of each earbud we have charging contacts, so apply isopropyl alcohol here and the right one, and also inside the charging case right here we have cleaning contacts. Now I am going to use this brush to clean my charging case, but you can, as I said previously, use ear sticks. Here we go. Now let me use another brush to clean charging contacts at the earbuds. And also at the right earbud. Now let's clean the grill, and you need to remove ear tips from your earbuds and slightly clean it. Here we go. And now the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!